Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Mastracchio, junior reporter at the W. Today at Westlake High School, we're going to give you the behind the scenes of Italian class. Today, I'm here with one of my classmates, James Mealy, and I wanted to ask you, what's your favorite part about Italian class?
I gotta say, my favorite part about Italian class is, the hands-on projects. For our midterm, we did a music video.
Un sogno così non ritorni mai più.
We did a cooking video. We're going to do a painting for our final. I just like all doing that hands-on stuff.
Do you feel that hands-on learning helps you better understand stuff?
Yeah, I think with the class like Italian, doing hands-on things, helps you learn about the culture, apply the language that you learned, and, overall benefit your education.
I'm with another one of my classmates here, Braden Langeza. Why would you recommend Italian class to other people, Braden?
Italian class exposes you to a different type of learning other than like math, ELA. It really helps you learn more about the culture, learn the language, and it's a great class and it's a lot of fun.
Oh, thank you for your time.
Yep.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Mastracchio with my Italian teacher, Miss Bellomusto.
Ciao.
Today, I'm here to ask you questions. First, what inspired you to teach your students Italian?
What inspired me? So I would say definitely my upbringing. I am born here American, but my family is Italian American. So my grandparents were born in Italy, and I had the opportunity to travel there from the age of 1 to 10 years of age every single summer, and also my Italian teacher in high school. So she definitely brought that love and passion that I had for it, always had for it, out into the classroom. So I loved the concept of teaching when I was in high school.
Also, what do you think your students enjoy about Italian class?
I think they truly enjoy the project-based assessments that we do. So anything coming from the commercial projects, the music videos, the artist projects, cooking shows, and then at the end of senior year, you guys get to do pasta making in class, which is always a great time.
Thank you for your time.
Grazie.
Overall, Italian class is very fun, and if you want to try something new, I highly recommend it. Back to you at the W.